The RAM Rampage is the newest addition to the mid-size pickup truck segment in Latin America, brought to the market by Stellantis. It is designed to cater to the demands of consumers who require a versatile vehicle that is equally adept at performing everyday tasks and tackling tough terrains. The Rampage combines innovative technology, robust performance, and a plethora of customization options, marking its presence as a formidable contender in its category. Under the hood, the RAM Rampage is powered by an efficient 1.3-liter turbo engine that delivers 185 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque, promising commendable performance. The powertrain is designed to ensure that the vehicle can handle both city driving and off-road conditions with ease. Furthermore, its transmission options and drivetrain have been optimized for both fuel efficiency and driving dynamics, making the Rampage an enticing option for those who demand power without compromising on economy. On the exterior, the RAM Rampage exhibits an aggressive and bold design that is sure to turn heads. Its prominent grille, flanked by sleek headlights, gives it a distinctive front fascia, while the sculpted body lines and large wheel arches convey a sense of ruggedness. The overall design language is coherent and seems to communicate the vehicle's ability to take on challenges while retaining an air of sophistication. In terms of technology, the Rampage boasts the RAM Connect system, which allows for an array of remote features via a smartphone app. With RAM Connect, owners have the ability to start the engine, lock or unlock doors, locate the vehicle, and receive status and maintenance alerts. The system also integrates analytical tools that provide insights into driving performance and efficiency, further enhancing the user experience. Customization is a significant aspect of the RAM Rampage, with customers having the option to tailor the vehicle according to their preferences. A wide range of colors, wheel designs, and exterior accessories are available for selection. Additionally, through the Mopar Custom Shop, customers can indulge in an even higher level of personalization, selecting from various accessories and customization options during the purchasing process. The off-road capabilities of the Rampage deserve special mention. The Rebel version in particular is tailored for off-road enthusiasts, featuring increased ground clearance, skid plates, tow hooks, and all-terrain tires. Additionally, features such as a 4x4 system, hill descent control, and an electronic locking rear differential are integrated to ensure that the truck is prepared to tackle any terrain that comes its way with confidence and poise. The RAM Rampage makes a strong statement in the mid-size pickup truck market in Latin America with its blend of performance, technology, rugged design, and customization options. The vehicle's capabilities make it a versatile option suitable for a wide range of consumers. While pricing may vary depending on location and specifications, the Rampage stands as a noteworthy addition and is likely to garner attention from both truck enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.